Welcome back to my YouTube channel. The 2025 Tesla Model Y is making waves in the electric vehicle market, and for good reason. It blends Tesla's signature innovation with subtle upgrades that make it a strong contender in the EV segment. Let's explore what this futuristic SUV has to offer, from its design to its performance and beyond. The exterior of the 2025 Model Y is sleek and aerodynamic, with Tesla refining its design language for a modern and sophisticated look. The front fascia remains clean and minimalist, with no traditional grille, just a smooth surface that emphasizes the car's electric nature. The LED headlights are sharper and more angular, giving the SUV a bold presence on the road. The coupe-like sloping roofline not only enhances its aesthetic appeal but also improves aerodynamics, contributing to its efficiency. With new color options and updated alloy wheel designs, the Model Y feels fresh and appealing. Stepping inside, the interior is quintessential Tesla, a minimalist yet luxurious. The centerpiece is the massive 15-inch touchscreen that controls nearly every aspect of the vehicle, from navigation to climate settings. The materials feel premium, with soft touch surfaces, vegan leather seats, and improved trim options that exude sophistication. The panoramic glass roof creates an airy, open atmosphere, letting in natural light and enhancing the sense of space. Passengers in both rows enjoy ample headroom and legroom, making it an ideal choice for families or those who value interior comfort. Speaking of comfort, Tesla has gone above and beyond to ensure the Model Y delivers a premium ride experience. The seats are supportive, with optional heated and ventilated functions for added convenience. The dual-zone climate control system works efficiently, and the cabin remains impressively quiet thanks to improved sound insulation. Tesla's advanced air filtration system is also on board, ensuring a clean and comfortable environment even during long road trips. Performance is where the 2025 Tesla Model Y truly shines. Equipped with dual electric motors and Tesla's signature all-wheel drive, the Model Y delivers a thrilling driving experience. It offers quick acceleration, reaching 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.5 seconds in the performance trim, while the long-range variant focuses on efficiency with an impressive range of up to 330 miles. Handling is precise, with excellent road grip and minimal body roll, making it a joy to drive on both city streets and winding roads. The regenerative braking system is seamless, allowing for one-pedal driving and maximizing energy efficiency. In conclusion, the 2025 Tesla Model Y continues to set the benchmark for electric SUVs. It combines stunning looks, a tech-rich interior, remarkable comfort, and exhilarating performance into a package that's hard to beat. Whether you're upgrading your current EV or stepping into the electric car world for the first time, the Model Y is undoubtedly worth considering. So, what do you think of the 2025 Tesla Model Y? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more in-depth car reviews. Stay tuned for more automotive insights, and as always, thank you for watching.